Hi folks, I've been making candles today. I've only made 4. You can see those 2 there. They've almost hardened and are almost ready to use, but you can see the 2 here. They're newly poured and will take a few hours to harden. I may do a full video on how I make candles if anybody's interested in seeing it, because I am thinking of putting a few different things on my channel. So if you'd like to see a video of me making these little candles, just let me know. If you don't want to see stuff like this on the Like a 31 channel, let me know also, and I'll put candle making stuff on my other channel. Okay, that's all for now. See you later.